Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your controller. Prefer wired Xbox or DualSense for lowest latency. Once plugged in, Windows should recognize it. Next, open Steam and enable controller support. Settings right arrow controller, right arrow general, because Steam will map inputs for non-native support. Make sure to close or disable any remapping utilities that can conflict. You do this now so Valorant sees a stable input source. Otherwise, you risk inconsistent bindings or extra dead zones when you later attempt in-game configuration. Once Valorant is added to Steam, launch Steam's per-game controller configuration. You want to map left stick to movement, right stick to look, triggers to primary and alt fire, and bumpers for abilities. Save these mappings as a custom profile. This ensures predictable behavior even after updates. Export that profile to a backup folder because Steam or Valorant updates can wipe settings. Make small sensitivity adjustments in the Steam config. Then you'll fine-tune in-game to match your preferred aim feel. You now open Valorant and align in-game controls with your Steam profile. Set sensitivities, dead zones, and ability binds so the experience matches what you tested. Then jump into the practice range and run through movement, aiming, and ability usage. This reveals any axis inversion or dead zone issues. If something breaks, restart both Valorant and Steam, ensure Steam input is active for Valorant, and try a wired connection. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most detection or latency problems, keeping you ready for matches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.